Hello everyone, this is Shyam Padidar here, a trainer from Persona Institute. Today, here are the 4 participants from different batches. Today, they all are going to discuss with me on a given topic. But before we start the session, I would like to introduce them. So first.
Sir, my name is Anshul Kapoor and I have completed around 2.5 months.
2.5 months. All right, yes.
My name is Neha Sharma. I have completed 45 days.
40. It means you are from basic plus spoken batch. Yes.
Sir, my name is Komal Rato. I have completed 35 days.
35 days. Yes. Have it.
My name is Palak Javan. I just completed 2 months.
Okay, just give me this mic. Now guys, they are from different batches. Anshul is from spoken batch, she is from basic plus spoken batch, and she is also from basic plus spoken batch, and Palak is from spoken batch. Overall, they are from different batches. Okay, so if we talk about our topic, so our topic is so clear. As you can see in our society, people are spending too much money over wedding ceremonies. I am talking about more than 10 lakh, more than 15 lakhs. People are investing. So it is just wasting of money or not? This is the topic on which we are going to discuss today. So one by one, you all will get chance to prove your point. So are you ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
So let's get started guys. Okay guys, so first of all, who is going to start? Please answer.
Yes sir, I think so that we should spend lots of money in our wedding because from the wedding the two people meet together and started a new journey. So we should celebrate it the occasion when the two families meet together, when the two family join together. And as we all know, as nowadays as we see the relatives that are they are blaming that what is the wedding, as we know in the dish the salt is very less, the salt is very high. After the wedding they say to other people.
Yes, criticize.
They criticize, so it blame our family. So I think so that we should spend lots of money in our wedding.
Okay, lots of money, it means, yeah, that's really great. What do you think, Palak?
And I think, sir, that's like a memorable day. We don't spend money there. We spend money in the future also, like about the education and all type of work there in also there. So I don't think so. Spend money there or almost there in the occasion.
Okay. Neha, what do you think?
Yes, sir. In my opinion, sir, we should spend more money in wedding because, sir, our family and our friends enjoy their that day and also call and enjoy as memorable day. It's that like this.
We can. Okay. Yes, we can call so many relatives.
Yeah.
This is the only one opportunity in the life where so many people will get together. So it is a really great memorable day. It is a really great chance to make a memorable day. What do you think?
Sir, I think should not spend money in a wedding vacation because our object is also only married, not a huge expenditure in the wedding vacation. So there is no people says after vacation wedding there is no taste in the food.
Yes.
So I think we should not spend money in
Because it is useless. People will criticize whether you are spending money or not. So why is the need to spend money? Okay, Palak, what do you think?
He says about our religious talk like what the price, they just do in the wedding. So in the modern generation and that type of generation we just live. So there is a no need to oh, let's not spend so much money. There is a no type of people are there to think about that. So it's a modern India. So they
Okay. I just want to ask a question to both of you. You're talking about that if it is a one-time occasion, we need to make it memorable. So to make it memorable, you don't need to spend money. What is the need to spend money? One thing that is very important to have if you want to make a particular day memorable, that is called company. Company of people is very important. What about money?
So I think so that we should spend money to make a memorable day because without spending money the thing is one.
Yes.
So if we spend lots of money, so the memory becomes into 100. Okay. And when we look to the pictures, we think that it was a very good wedding. So I think so that we should spend much money in.
Okay, what do you think, Neha?
Sir, Palak is said, without money, we can make a memorable day.
People, if you do not invite people at a large level, so how will they come?
Yeah.
To invite them, you need to have proper facilities. Okay, if you are inviting people, so you need to have proper facilities. So somehow you have to expand.
But that's simple amount we can spend there, na?
Yes.
Just like our neighbors are lords, so we take it in two different ways. Just like they are in the weddings, we just take that type of neighbors, and in the all type of future or in the birth, like a house ceremony at all. So we just
Okay, I just want to ask a question that especially for groom and bride side, bride feels like a queen. Okay, groom feels like a king. But it is a one day, so I don't think that we should take their right. We are not, no one who is taking right of particular person by not spending money. It is one time occasion. Bride is feeling like queen and groom is feeling like king. So what's wrong here?
But sir, just like in the wedding, they have feel like. So why they are not feel like all day, like in future also, like a king and queen?
Okay.
So why we spend so much money in that? We just spend so much money. They are also like
Would like to answer?
queen
Yes,
and
sir.
king.
Yes.
We should spend money because they are the king and queen, because as we all know that if we going somewhere for a journey, if the journey is beginning, so we don't have many excitement, but when the journey is starting, so we have many excitement that what will happen, so that's why they are becoming they become king and queen, and after that they will start a journey, so that they will
They can manage their financial position if they know that how much they have to invest. They are doing. I don't think there is wrong here. What do you think, Kamal?
Sir, I think I say we should spend money in wedding, but we should not spend money, a lot of money in the wedding. We celebrate our occasion in low money, so I think we should not spend money.
You should not spend money. Would you like to say something here?
Okay, so I don't think so. We spend so much money in the wedding.
Okay, I am just going to ask one more question to you. Okay, suppose you are having a very decent family, you are having a very good family, stable family, so you are spending money. But your relatives are not up to the level. They are not having that much amount of money that you are having. Alright, but you are spending at a large level, so they will have to come in your wedding. They have to buy something like clothes, gifts for you, so many extra burden for those who are not up to the level if you talk about financially. So what about them?
So I think so that as we all know that the wedding, when the wedding comes, so everyone knows that after the 1 or 2 months the wedding is coming. So we should plan and purchase the clothes, and we should, as we all know that for a wedding every person spend their money and collect their money. So I think so that they also collect their money and spend on that day.
But our culture is also with us. Suppose you are talking about if you are talking about short marriage. So what is the role of culture there? India is popular just because of its culture. And you are talking about that we should not do the things. Then what would be your status in the society? So here are so many questions to all of you. One thing, what about in Indian culture? Our culture is so clear. So according to that point of view, we also have to spend huge money. Alright. And second thing, if you do not spend money, so what do you say to the relatives where you have gone in their weddings? Because definitely they are going to criticize you, because they have invested money, they have invited you, so many relatives have invited you, but when it comes to you, you haven't invited single one. So what about this? How will you face that phase? Because if you are living in a society, if you are maintaining your status in a society, so somehow you have to give treat to the people. What do you think? Please just say something. What do you think about it?
So about the treat, my neighbor is not think about that ki they don't treat me because they about the financial condition. So my well wishers are don't think about that ki we do they just take a loan and just pay it on 10 to 12 years, and they just for what to come for wedding.
Okay.
And there's a lots of just like a lockdown, there's a COVID-19, so there is a in the village there's a lots of marriage are also there. So
Yeah, definitely in the lockdown, so many people also got married. What do you think?
Sir, I think people also get married in lockdown time, but in the lockdown, spend money wedding so much. So I think we should not spend money, because there is also waste of food and waste of time.
Wastage of food. Right now in the world, so many people are not having a food to eat. But what we are doing in a wedding, when we spend huge amount, we waste food. We can see in a wedding. We see actually in wedding. So what do you think about it?
So I think that the wastage of food we can control, because we know that the every when there is a problem there is a solution also. So we can distribute the food in poors, and we can make the sufficient food that we can eat that we can make someone eat. So we can't so that's why we control the wastage of food.
Okay. Overall, if we having a good plans, so we can also solve this problem. All right. So there is a time issue with us. So now you all have to conclude one by one. First, you. What do you think?
Sir, I think that we should spend lots of money, because as we know that the relatives are planning for our wedding, that when will wedding come, so they will come, and so because of them, so we should make a proper arrangement for them, because if we don't make a proper arrangement, so they what is the wedding, so I think so that
That's really great. Palak, what do you think?
Opinion about that, we don't spend money in there, because we just do a memorable day in the future also, about the education of children's, about the all type of, we just go vacations also. But sometimes the people don't go, because we just spend so much money in the memorable day become a memorable day. So I just think we spend money almost like a 5 to 6, but not like a 10 to 12 like money in that.
Right. According to our situation, we have to
Yeah,
spend.
spend.
What do you think?
Sir, I think we can not spend money, but people who can afford this money, this arrangement, so who
They can
afford, they can do it. But people who cannot afford this, so they will get married in simply way.
Short. What do you think? Yeah, please have this mind.
Yes, sir. In my opinion, we should spend more money, because, sir, we can remember for the pleasure time. So
it is a really great time. So we
great
can,
time. We can,
yeah, we can
after that.
That's really great, guys. So now some of them, like these two, Neha and Komal, they have just completed their 40 to 45 days, mostly I think. And this Ansul and Palak, they both are from spoken batches. So guys, in the end, I just want to tell you, all of you, what do you think personally? What do you think, that should we spend money in wedding ceremonies or not? Because so many people are doing just because of others. What others will think, just because of them, they are taking loan and they are paying till the next 20 to 25 years. Alright, so guys, if you like the video, so please share it. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.